Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update crash-free adoption with Android Vitals and Play Console, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. To update crash-free adoption with Android Vitals and Play Console, start by logging into your Play Console account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section from the left-hand menu. Next, select the app you want to work with from your list of published apps. In the app overview, find and click on Android Vitals in the left side menu. You will see various metrics related to your app's performance. Locate the Crash-Free Users report. Click on the report to review detailed statistics regarding crash-free adoption. To update this metric, ensure that you have set the desired time frame for data analysis. You can do this by adjusting the date range at the top right corner of the screen. Review the percentage of users who experienced crashes. Identify trends or areas that need improvement based on the data provided. If necessary, implement changes in your app to enhance stability and performance. After making updates to your app, remember to release a new version. Monitor the crash-free adoption rate periodically to evaluate the effectiveness of your changes. Engage with the feedback from users to further improve app reliability. Continue checking the Android Vitals regularly to maintain optimal performance. This ongoing process will help you keep track of your app's health and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.